that. That was almost cooler than the Raptor. At least he put on a show.
Yeah, it's much smaller than a C5.
Yes. You know what they found out? The world's problems changed. C5 can't get into the bases where they need to get into. I can do it as STOL as best as a cargo carrier can. He's having fun today. They don't know the fun.
Yeah. Is he coming back? Looks like it.
I want to saw that. A KC-135 do that, leaving Patrick bank like that. And I'm going, you don't do that with that plane. No, it's 60 years old. Don't do that. I was freaking out. I couldn't drive fast enough to get to the river because I knew it was going to crash, and then I never saw it again. I mean,
He's got quite control over that plane.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He is damn sure making it go where he wants it to go. Come on. There you go.
No C4 engines much anymore. No smoke. No smoke.
There was a long time in between planes.
Yeah.
I was on the Shaw Air Force Base website where the 16s are coming from. They have 17s based there too. I don't know where this one's from. It'll say SW on the tail if it's from Shaw. They took a bunch of CAP cadets up in the 117.
Nice.
Yeah. Had a big old thing for them and all that. Oh, that was pretty nice. Shows them in the cockpit and the pilot chatting with them and shit. Now that's up close and personal. You see them in the big distance.
Yeah, looking at it like right there, it looks like a C5, but it's definitely a lot smaller. Especially that view there, right there, looks like a C5.
I'd like to see a C5 demonstration. That'd be cool. I'd love to see a KC. He's slowing it down. He's slowing
Oh yeah, throwing in a
slowing it
slow flight. Slow flight in a jet, that's cool.
Yeah. 4 engines.
You'll hear the, listen though, for him to maintain altitude, you will hear those engines fucking roaring.
Hear it already.
Yep. Well, that's what's required to fly slow like that. It sounds backwards, but it's, you have to create your own lift.
Dumping down.
You'll hear it throttle up. When he comes out of it, you'll hear it throttle up, tip the nose down, those flaps will come up and he'll be hauling ass again.
Look at that. He ain't doing 50 miles.
Yeah, he is.
Is he?
Oh yeah.
How can he keep that?
Listen, you hear it? See? See?
He put the gear down. Now he's tucking the gear back on.
Yeah. You see those flaps coming up too, yep.
Are you videoing?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's part of slow flights, putting your gear down.
Create more drag.